Okay, class, so sorry about that. We stopped the video there. And so we're gonna get started on chapter, where we left off yesterday. Today's Tuesday, March the 31st, last day of March. And we're continuing on chapter 17. And yesterday we covered, it was the women's graduated cut. And of course, there's a diagram that shows you the different degrees, 45, 45, 90, 90, and so forth. So just a quick recap on this graduated cut. These are the procedures for the graduated cut. Very important in the partings, which we call sectioning back at school. Make sure that your sectionings are very precise. That's what's going to make the haircut look really good. Always take into account curly hair, coarse hair, thick hair. And then you'll see that so now we're going to go into the women's uniform cut, which is also, it's the 90-degree cut, which is on your, your packet. This is the uniform layer cut, which is the 90-degree cut. Same thing as up here. So you should be reading these next few pages today and going over the haircut, the different diagrams, their pictures that they have illustrated here. So it's just a few pages of reading today. 1, 2, 3, 4 pages. And then we'll go into the long layered cut tomorrow. But just to cover it real quickly here, you'll see here on the PowerPoint presentation, it says uniform layer cuts. All hair is cut to the same length. Hair is projected at 90 degrees from where it grows. Traveling guide is used. Cut conforms to head shape without weight lines. Create layers and texture throughout short or long layer cuts. The procedure, it's established guide in top section, cut to front. Establishing design line on perimeter is optional. Blend top to crest. Use vertical partings to blend sides to crest and back to crown. And then blend sides to back, fine-tune design line. So, and then check and cut style. So all these, all the instructions here, it's hard to visualize it. I understand that, being that you're students. But I am going to upload some videos that are going to help clarify, and so that you can understand what it means to blend top to crest, use vertical partings instead of horizontal. And, it's just a lot of technical lingo that they're using, but, it'll better serve you once you see the videos, and then it'll make more sense to you once you see the videos that I'm going to upload for a uniform cut, okay? So don't get all freaked out or panicked. Okay. Hair cutting tips for uniform layer cuts. Follow reminders plus establish interior guide first. Set a guide at the perimeter to avoid over-shortening hanging length. Okay. That's an interesting term. Hanging length, okay. The thinner the parting, the more volume is created. And that means the sectioning, parting. They use these different words, I don't know why, but to me, it's just sectioning. Make sure hair blends from one section to another. Work with natural growth, wave formation, density. Always check perimeter for blending on design line, which you always do throughout the haircut, but mostly towards the end of the haircut is when you start to make sure the design lines are all blended in, okay? And again, all this will be visually given to you on the videos that I upload. Then it goes into the long layers, which we'll cover tomorrow. For today, I just want you, and this is basically the same thing as the uniform cut, because it's also a layer cut. It's just a different degree. This is a 180-degree haircut, whereas your uniform cut is going to be more of a 90-degree. Sorry, right there, 90-degree. So remember, make sure that you go to the Gallegos playlist, because that's where the videos are that I'm uploading for you, okay? And on that Gallegos channel or playlist, which is underneath my channel, like I showed you in the video earlier, that's where you're going to see the videos or the tutorials of the actual haircuts, okay? So every haircut that I've recommended, every video that I've recommended that's giving you a tutorial of the actual haircuts that we're studying is on the Gallegos playlist, okay? So be sure to watch those and subscribe, and give me any feedback that you might have, or if there's some questions you might have or of the videos, please get back in touch with me, okay? For now, that's all. I'll be back in touch with you again tomorrow, and we'll go over the 180-degree haircut, okay? God bless you and have a great day.